Here we are guys, that the Bitcoin price prediction here, and that the daily candle here of the Bitcoin, it finished here and it closed here, and the daily candle here, it's look very promising guys. If you're looking here, the Bitcoin, it's breaking here that last high here, that one also been talking about before, that one here, which is exactly at 97,400. Now the Bitcoin today closed at 80k. That very good news here. The other thing we got here, which is that one here, also we're talking about it a lot here, that up channel here, which is that one here, as you see it in front of you, how I draw it. Not a lot of you, they came criticizing me what you said here and here, because me guys, I draw like that. Now here, that's not our topic. What we got here, we got that uptrend, which is like that. I draw it with yellow. That one here, if it's getting broke and the Bitcoin fall down and do like that, we need to catch that short guys till the low of that channel. That number one scenario. Second scenario, the Bitcoin will go to touch here that 200 moving average, which is exact at 83,399. Even that one, it's possible guys, because if we're looking now at our indicators, what we got, the MACD here, it tried to turn from bearish to bullish guys, and even the RSI here tried to break that last high here, that one. So things it look very good guys. So let's see if that's going to be the bottom, that one here, that 60k down here, that number one scenario. And now if you go in now to X and everywhere, all the people they telling you the Bitcoin going to dump more than that. But guys, me, I don't believe those people. Me, I'm looking at the fact in front of me, which is that one here, the downtrend here. That one here, also we show it to you before, and look what happened here. Let me take it off those moving averages for you to look at the picture more clear guys. Even here you see the 50 moving average cross above the 100 moving average. So things it's look very good base only on the moving averages guys. But the most important, which is that one here, that one, the downtrend here, you see it guys, you see the market what it done here. That one is very important what the market done here, breaking, fall down, and now try to break the last high here. And that's going to be a very good sign telling us maybe the Bitcoin will go back to that zone here guys. That the fact in front of us, yes, us now we are in a very stronger zone. We show it to you before, we tell it to you, that one here. You see it guys, a support, when it's getting broke, it's become a resistance, and that's what's happened here. Even that one, we need to look at it very close guys, that one here, if that market going to dump or not. Till now, there is no sign of dumping guys. Till now, there is no signs of dumping. The only thing we got here, which is that smaller uptrend, that one here, and that one in 4 hours is going to be more clear. If it's getting broke, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping guys. That's the only things I can say here. Now let's go into see liquidity heatmap what it's saying today. By the way, if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, and you want to be with professional people, that's the job of them, no bias, no fibs, no lies, welcome to the family my friend. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. That, of course, if you are interested. Here we are guys, the liquidity heatmap here. We got some stop losses above here, but majority of the stops are down here guys. You see the majority of the stops, they are down here. So what is it, the view? Me personally, I'm still thinking the Bitcoin will make that correction to liquidate those ones here, but let's see the coming hours. That's the only things I can say guys. Now there is smaller stop losses here. It might the Bitcoin to go to liquidate those ones before the dump to those ones down here, but the majority of the stops are down here guys. That level here, which is exactly 77 till 77,230. So those was the levels guys. You need to look close at them. So let's see the coming hours. Now let's go into see USDT dominance. Here we are guys, the USDT dominance here. Things it doesn't look okay. It's breaking here the downtrend here, but if you look in here and you come and you're looking at the naked chart here, you see that zone here where we are, which is very stronger, 7.19, which is that one here. Let me draw it here for you to understand what I'm talking about. You see that zone here is a very stronger zone. You need to focus about it, what's going to happen here. And another thing you can draw here, that one here, the downtrend here. Focus about it, what's going to happen if the market going to stay inside the range of the triangle that I'm from here to come back above to test here a downtrend. Not possible based on my chart what me I got. That one here is getting broke. That means here we don't need it anymore. Now the only thing me I'm looking at is the downtrend here. The one here, if it's going to be touch or no. When it's going to be touch, it's going to be 7.45, and if that's going to happen, we're going to see crypto market dumping. So let's see what's going to happen. And also we tell it to you guys in the start of the week. We don't need to repeat those things. Now let's go into see the gold. Here we are, guys, the gold, same thing. Also we got a short in it, we just entered it before yesterday from here exactly. Now is it in profit? Even in the silver, that's what also we doing every time, and that's why also we're telling you, if you want the gold, silver, crypto, welcome to the family. But of course, if you are interested, also we will not force you to join us, and we tell you that thousands of times. Here the gold, what it got now the downtrend here. Let's see what's going to happen, because if we came here to the gold, we got here like a small down channel. Until now we haven't touched the lower of it, so it's need the down channel to be broke here for us to know the gold is going to go more higher. And even the gold it entered to that zone where is sideways, let's make it like that, no volatility. So even that one is possible, guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum. Here we are, guys, the Ethereum. Also we told you yesterday, what also we said yesterday, if you remember and you've been watching us every day, what also we said yesterday here about the Ethereum. Also we said yesterday about the Ethereum, guys, that one here. That one here, we show it to you, and we told you here we got a bullish flag, guys. That bullish flag, what happened to it? Look with me here. That the bullish flag, guys, is getting broke here. You see it or no? So that's telling us the Ethereum will go more higher. That first scenario. There is a second scenario as every time here in that channel. We are in a very stronger zone here, guys. You see it, how I draw it? Yes, it's being touched a lot of times. Look how many times that the first, that the second, that the third, that the fourth, and that here is the fifth time. That means it's getting weaker. And the Ethereum, look how many times it's being touching that wall there. It's getting weak and weak and weak now. So guys, be careful. People that are with me also already we got a long from here. Each riding, it was very close to hit for us the first take profit. Now we're still waiting it, and that's what else we're doing every day. That for long, guys. For short, what you can do for short, same thing, guys. We got here that triangle like that, or that wedge, or name it whatever you want. As you see that one here, maybe from here we are going to fall down again to test the lower of that triangle here, guys, like that. Even that one is possible based on our indicators, what we got here in the Ethereum, guys. The MACD here, it's staying in an uptrend. There is nothing changed here. The RSI here, it's breaking even the divergence downtrend as we used to talking about, guys. You see the divergence downtrend here, that the divergence it used to be here, now is getting broke. That means the divergence, it's not valid anymore, guys. So be careful from those things what I'm showing you in front of you. That's the only things I can tell you. Now is going to see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. By the way, you watching me now. You want to be with professional people, that the job of them, no bias, no fibs, no fancy cameras, no lifestyle, blah, blah, blah. You can join the family of traders, my friend, where you're going to be with professional people. Every day there is a new trade. No bias, no fibs. And believe me, my friend, the 25 bucks or 30 bucks you see in front of you, it's nothing compared to high quality content you got to get inside. But it's up to you. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin here in 4 hours, same thing. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours, it's breaking here that last high here, and that one is a very good sign here, guys. What is it, the view? If we came here and we take it off all those moving averages like that, what you can draw here, guys, that one here, you see it, guys, or no? We still have here a wedge here, guys. That wedge here, we touch the top of it. So number one scenario, maybe from here we're going to dump again to test the lower of that wedge here. That number one scenario, guys. Second scenario, maybe we're going to break it and we're going to see that Bitcoin going more higher. But me, I don't advise you now to try to catch a long exactly with leverage. Without leverage, that's another story, but with leverage, be careful, my friend. But all the things I can tell you, guys. Another thing which is here, that small uptrend like that, even the one, if it's getting broke like that, guys, why not to try to catch a short from it? Based on our indicators, what we got here in Bitcoin, guys. The MACD here, it's staying in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. The RSI, what it's telling us? The RSI, same thing, guys. You remember the divergence downtrend here, the one here we used to talking about a lot, is getting broke here in the RSI, guys. Even that one is a very, very, very good sign, guys. Did we touch extreme overbought area? We are very close to it, plus we got now that zone here of 81 or 87, guys. So be careful from those things what I'm showing you. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes is going to be the picture more clear to you. Here we are, guys. In 30 minutes today, it happened a lot of manipulation here. They fighting here, they pushing down and they pushing above. Now here, what is it, the view? What you can draw here in 30 minutes, guys. What you have here. Number one, you can draw something like that, like a megaphone. Look at it. That one here. It's a big megaphone, guys. You see it here. You can draw it like that. You see it? That's a megaphone. So maybe Bitcoin from here going to come back to test here, the top of that megaphone, then from here to dump again to test the lower of it. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, the market to give you here like a smaller price action and you to try to catch a short, to ride it again to that low here. Even that one is possible, guys, based on our indicators, what we got here in 30 minutes. Our indicators, guys, the bears, they try to fight the bulls, but the bulls, they stay very stronger, guys. Look at it. They try to push it down very quickly. We recover. Same thing now. What that telling us one thing. The bulls, they still powerful, guys. Yes, we can draw in here like a small bearish divergence here, like that. But we need price action, guys, for us to catch that shot. So if you came here and you find the video is late and you want to be updated more quicker when us we enter the right time, we told you what to do, my friend. You can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. That, of course, if you are interested. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.